Athletic Federation, Mr. C, Mr. Chua, the Sports Director of Manila, Dale Evangelista, Sports Director of Pasig, Archie Verano, the Miss Labrador of Pasig, Hans Bayaborda, representing the Mayor of Bacolod, is here. And then we have from the office of Senator Pia. And then from Sports Plus, we have Toph and Andre. Smart Sports Team, I see Epoch and Jude. And of course, the MVP Sports Foundation, I see them. Farsighted yata ako eh. And then, who else? Okay, Vice Governor Matt Manatok just arrived. Where are you, Governor Matt? How are you, sir? Thank you very much. Came all the way from Ilocos Norte. Thank you very much, sir. And we'll acknowledge the rest later on, but like what I said, maraming salamat po. I would like to believe that this is the first time we're doing this. This is the first time where we have invited stakeholders, professionals, corporate people, CEO, media, sportsmen, the Philippine Sports Commission to attend a forum. It is just a 3-hour forum, but it will carve the programs of the Philippine Sports Commission in the next couple of years, and that is very important. We all know that during the last State of the Nation address, the President mentioned lengthily his program for sports. And that is the reason why I am very busy, because ganun pala po yun. When you are mentioned in the SONA, you get a memo every week. And the President will ask you, what have you done? Report every 30 days. What have you done? Ganun pala po yun. But I am so excited. I'm sure you are all excited, because this is unprecedented. This is something we cannot afford to lose. And this is something that we have to do immediately. Allow me in the next few minutes to present to you the work program that we have crafted together with the commissioners of the Philippine Sports Commission, and I hope this excites you.